Hi everyone, this is Easy English. Welcome to my channel. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about daily routines. Please, before watching video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep watching. Сәлем баршаңызға, каналымызға қош келдіңіздер. Бүгін күнделікті өмірде өте көп кездесетін фразалық сөйлемдермен танысатын боламыз. Видеоны соңына дейін қарауларыңызды сұраймын, және де каналымызға жазылуды ұмытпаңыздар. So, there is going to be a lot of information and you need a notebook and a pen. Get ready to take notes and let's get started. Wake up. I wake up. Get up. I get up at 7 o'clock. Make bed. I make my bed. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth every day. Wash face. I wash my face. Get dressed. I get dressed. Have breakfast. I have breakfast at 7:30. Go to school. I go to school at 7:45. My lesson starts at 8 o'clock. Have lunch. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Come home. I come home at 2 o'clock. Do homework. I do my homework at 3 o'clock. Play with friends. I play with my friends every day. Watch TV. I usually watch TV. Play computer games. I sometimes play computer games with my friends. Take a nap. I take a nap in the afternoon. Read a book. I read a book 3 minutes a day. Ride a bike. I usually ride a bike after school. Go shopping. I go shopping with my mother. Listen to music. I listen to music every day. Go for a walk. Do the laundry. I do the laundry twice a week. Hang the clothes. I hang the clothes after doing laundry. Iron the clothes. I like ironing the clothes. Wash the dishes. I wash the dishes every day. Cook dinner. I cook dinner for my family. Have dinner. I have dinner at 7 p.m. Play in the park. I play in the park every day. Water the plant. I sometimes water the plant. Take out the trash. I always take out the trash. Do the dusting. I always do the dusting. Drink water. I drink a lot of water. Mop the floor. I mop the floor every day. Comb my hair. Have a shower. I have a shower in the morning. Dry your hair. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.